Hello and welcome to our 13-part How to Make More Money from Your CRM as a Loan Officer series. 7 weeks, 6 new high-producing qualified realtor referrals that have sent 6 deals that are going to close. That is the exact feedback inside our Loan Officer Breakfast Club group from our member, Brandon. Brandon is making calls to qualified real estate agents, and in the last 7 weeks, he's received 6 referrals so far from 6 new referral relationships. Here are the numbers: 655 outbound dials, 229 conversations from those calls, 40 appointments set from 229 conversations. 21 of the 40 appointments showed up, totally normal, right? And 6 of those 21 appointments that he had have already sent him at least 1 referral. The big secret here in video number 1 is that if you make the phone calls, you will get the results. And the more phone calls that you make, the more results that you will get. Because I will tell you this, from running thousands of appointments, this month we're on track to book about 1,700, between 1,700 and 1,750 qualified appointments in our concierge department. And the math of the conversion ratios at every stage in that process are almost universally true. So if you make more phone calls at the top of the funnel and you actually make your calls, you will get more results out the bottom, which is why a power dialer is the very first feature that you should make sure that your CRM has. And it is a feature that we include for free when you invest inside the Loan Officer CRM. Now, what is a power dialer? It makes it so that when you get a qualified list of people and you load it into your CRM, you press a big green button and it already has all of the phone numbers of all those contacts that are in there. It makes the phone call. If it doesn't connect to the person, it automatically inserts the voicemail that you've recorded and starts dialing the next number. So you're going about your day, building your business while those calls are going on in the background. And when somebody picks up, you have the conversation with the proven script from the mortgage marketing animals. And then when you're done the conversation and hang up, it continues dialing, leaving voicemails until somebody picks up. The reason why this is so valuable is because you can get through about 4 times more contacts in a dialing session than if you did it manually. So that's from 25 potential conversations to 100 potential conversations. Well, if you're making the calls, and we know if we just make more calls at the top, we're going to get more results at the bottom, a power dialer is obviously one of the things that can help you make dramatically more money and far better results in your mortgage business. Now, who do you call with the power dialer? There are 5 fundamentals that we like to start with as we guide people through the setup process inside the Loan Officer CRM. And the first is your past customer database. I just got back from doing a live presentation. I pulled over 100 loan officers in a room and I said, how many of you get the majority of your business from your past customer database? Roughly half of the room put up their hand. I followed that by saying, how many of you have made an outbound call or text message to your database in the last 60 days? 0 hands went up. We have the most profitable asset in our mortgage businesses sitting in front of us, and yet most of us aren't doing the actions to actually generate more referrals from that database. There has never been more equity in homes. There has never been more credit card debt. There has never been more car loan debt, and we have a phenomenal solution for our clients that we can be help guiding them through, as well as just giving great service and value to our past customers so that they remember us and come back and do business with us again, refer us, friends, family members, and coworkers when they're looking to buy, sell, and refinance. And we get 5-star ratings and reviews from those past clients when you follow the scripts and the emails and the text messages that are already pre-built, preloaded, and waiting for you inside the Loan Officer CRM. You make the power dialer at the beginning. Those that you aren't able to get to in the dialing sequence automatically get the emails, automatically get the text messages, and your AI is trained with our proven AI prompts to have good quality conversations with your past clients, pass those along to you so that you're only working with opportunities rather than actually cold calling people that don't actually want to hear from you. So the number one takeaway is use a power dialer. Start with your past customer database. Then you go to a qualified agent list, which we provide inside the CRM, which I'm going to talk to you in the next video about. You make those calls to those qualified agents that are in your local marketplace, which is exactly what Brandon's doing, right? Then you call your pre-approved and lookings. Then you call everybody that's associated with every active deal that you currently have. And then you call past referral partners that you don't actively have a deal with. As you make those calls, we have pre-built campaigns with emails and follow-up and artificial intelligence to follow up on those people so that you get more referrals, more business, so you're actually getting more from your business while you're actually working less. So right now, head on over to loanofficercrm.ai and invest today. The reason why you want to invest today is because at the first of next month, we are taking away the bonuses that we are including in the system right now for free. That is the power dialer. So there are other services out there that are anywhere from $50 to $100 a month for you to be able to make that power dial work. We're giving it away for free. The qualified agent data that we're including in the system is $199 a month from Retter, RETR. We're giving you access to 300 qualified contacts a month in your subscription, absolutely free. You don't have to pay the $199. Our video marketing tool, our automatic scheduling tool, and all of the other incredible campaigns that are included inside the CRM, you get access to everything today for just $297. There's no setup fee, there's no contract, and there's a 100% 30-day satisfaction money-back guarantee. So if you come in, experience the scripts, experience the system, work with your one-on-one coach to get you launched, launch the system out, get results, and you're still not happy, we'll still give you 100% of your money back. And you get to keep the bonuses absolutely for free as a thank you for trying out our solution. So right now, head on over to loanofficercrm.ai, invest today, and stay tuned